Good morning, folks. Jose Torres with Homeboats and Travel, bringing you another walkthrough, this time a 2007 Back Cove 29 Down East cruiser. This is a beautiful boat with lots of deck, open space, and cruising accommodations, and a cabin with a small galley. So let me take you around to this fantastic boat. All right, folks, that concludes our walkthrough of this beautiful 2007 Back Cove 29 Down East cruiser. For additional information, please click the link below, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these videos, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll be seeing you in the next episode. Have a great day.